Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, Super Bowl's a week away from today. We're doing another giveaway. All you gotta do is guess. What are you gonna win? Well, I'm gonna get to that real quick, okay? You're gonna win two of these exciting Guggen baits. You got a trench hog in black and blue, and you got the Slim Shake worm in a summer craw. As well as you're gonna need some 3/8 tungsten weights, some bobber stops by Excite Baits, and these Guggen Gold Series hooks to make all that work in a Texas rig application. So that's the first part of it. Now, ooh, can you hear that? All right, you guys, these are two of my favorite lures. Any time of year except February for one of them. We're gonna make that change this year, hopefully. But you're also gonna win this Phantom Painted Craw by Steve Miller over there at Shonka Lures. Right there. And finally, you guys, my favorite bait on the planet, and it has been for about half a decade now, is the MJB Ghost Walker by Shonka Lures, painted up by Steve Miller. You're gonna win all of that to the person that guesses. Here, let me turn the camera around, I'll show you. Real simple. Number one, pick the winner of the game, Seattle or New England. Part two of this, you're gonna guess the total combined points between both teams, the final of the game. And number three, which team will throw more TDs is going to be the tiebreaker. If somebody gets this exactly the same, the score and picking the team, this will be tiebreaker 3. If there's a fourth, we'll go to a coin toss system live. So there you go. There's the rules. I will be going live Sunday about an hour before the Super Bowl-ish, and we'll go over it real quick. The guessing will be suspended before the game starts, and I'll put a note in the comment section of the video when it's just no more guessing. And I did that last game, and that worked out well. So we'll do that again. And there's a surprise I have for you guys tomorrow that we'll talk about, okay? Tomorrow. But at any rate, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. It's Sunday. Get one more rest day in, and then I got a 4-day work week next week. And then we got the Super Bowl and hopefully some fishing if it warms up. Take it easy, you guys. I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.